Hello, we're now going to look at the solution to number 8, multiple choice. This is part of your chapter 1 sample quiz. And the question is, what is the equation of a line that is parallel, that's a key word, parallel, to 4x plus y equals 7 and goes through this point? Alright, now remember there's 3 steps always. Okay? Step 1 is find the slope you need. So find the slope. Okay, now what tells us about the slope up here? Well, we know that parallel lines have equal slopes, don't they? Equal slopes. Okay, so it's going to have the same slope as this one. So I take 4x plus y equals 7. And I solve for y to find the slope, put it in mx plus b form, right? Y, bring over the 4x, it becomes negative 4x plus 7. So I change it to slope intercept, right? Now, one quick step, we did that, so we know the slope is the coefficient in the right, which is the number in front of the x. So my slope here is negative 4. Okay? Now, if I look up at each of those, my answer is done. I have it done really, because the slope of the first one is a quarter. That's not the slope we need, right? So it's not A. The slope of the second one is positive 4. We need a slope of negative 4, right? So it's not B or C, right? And in B the slope is negative 1/4. So certainly not, right? It's not B as well. So the only one that has a slope there of negative 4 is D. It's the only one. Okay, so the answer here is going to be D. However, let's say we did have two of those did have a slope of negative 4. Then you would have to go to the second step, which is find the y-intercept. Now, we're told it goes through the point 0, negative 2. Now when it's 0, negative 2, if it's a 0 on the x, then this is the y-intercept. So this means that b is negative 2. And of course the third step is write your equation, right? In the form of y equals mx plus b. So you take your information from step 1, which is m equals negative 4, step 2, b equals negative 2, and you write it y equals mx, so it's negative 4x, subtract 2. And we can see that also matches to D. So D is the answer for this one.